Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 26th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, actually, on Friday's markets, and boy, what a sea of red there was. After that Brexit vote late on Thursday, where the UK decided to leave the European Union, it seemed like everything just started falling apart. Obviously, the futures were down sharply. By the end of the day, the Dow finished lower by 610 points here. The Nasdaq was down 202 and the S&P down 75. We'll get to all those charts. Let me highlight something for you here. We've been talking about this channel formation and we're waiting for a breakout one way or the other. Well, we can safely say that this is broken out. Now, with every channel breakout, you want to see some follow through. And meaning you want to see this low taken out. So you want to see a bit more downside and ideally some type of bounce here back to that level to retest that level before the much bigger drop. Now that's the big question here is, are we going to get a big quick flush lower, or are we going to retest that level? Let's look at the other charts. The S&P 500 also, look at that huge gap down. What a massive down day overall. Nasdaq even more. And here's the Russell also, which the Russell had momentum upwards, and now that's been completely broken. We've even taken out this low here in the Russell. So things turning around very, very quickly. Still a lot of uncertainty out there regarding, exactly what the fallout will be from this Brexit vote. Now there's talk about Scotland separating from the European Union. There's talks of Germany, France thinking about doing the same. So the whole union can fall apart. But we'll have to see. There was a lot more impact across the board. Look at the yen. What a huge, massive move upward. It had a lot to do with the British pound, which I'll show you in a second. Bonds screaming higher as well. Gold was up at one point over 75 points, finished higher by 59, and crude took it on the chin on Friday, down 2.5 points. The US dollar saw a nice spike. Here's that move against the CAD pair, up over 2 full cents. And while the pound, look at that, in one day down to 30-year lows, if you can believe that. And I really don't think the carnage here is over. Here's the VIX, and there's that fear in the index, spiking very, very strongly here on Friday. So expect this to continue. Expect a lot of volatility, a lot of uncertainty, a lot more discussion around this topic. Of course, there's still other worries out there. There's concerns out of China, Japan, you name it. There's, we're really facing, I believe, a global slowdown. A global economic slowdown here, and this vote, unfortunately, is going to have a lot to do with it, I believe. Now, so let's take this one step at a time, and let's see how these charts react tomorrow. Whether there will be some follow through to the downside here, which I suspect there will be. It's a good idea to keep an eye on those futures tonight, later tonight, when they reopen, and you'll get a good gauge as to where the markets will be opening tomorrow. But certainly, equity should continue to be under pressure. Currencies like the pound will continue to be under pressure. The dollar could see more upside, while gold is being seen as a safe haven and could also see a lot more upside. Okay, so we'll keep you posted, and we'll see how things go. Please do take the opportunity to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss any of our alerts. I get hundreds of emails every day, and a lot of stuff just gets buried within there. But if you subscribe to our channel, and you can do so a couple of ways, you can go to youtube.com/tradingwinds, or there'll be a link at the end of this video. Just click on that link, and then you'll be notified. You'll get alerts on your phone every time we post a new video or message, and that way you'll always get these updates immediately. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.